I'm Tanya Vardhan. I'm investment banking intern at Insect Solutions. So today's video presentation topic is that how robo-advisors impact equity research. I would say they have both positive as well as negative impact. First of all, I'll talk about the positive impact they have. So definitely they need to increase in efficiency because they can analyze a large amount of data in a very short span of time. And then you can also generate investment recommendations very easily and very quickly. So quick decision making will take place, which will ultimately improve the efficiency. Also, they are very cost effective because now there is no need to recruit human resource, and definitely any management cost related to human resource is now eliminated. So it's definitely cost effective. Also, now the human advisors will get more time to get in touch with their clients and they will be able to focus on them. How? They can right now, focus more on their financial planning issues, and the rest of the work can be done by the robo-advisors. Coming to the negative impact of robo-advisors, the first one would be that they are not yet personalized. What I mean by that is that yes, they can generate large amount of data, they can definitely provide investment recommendations, but still they can't be personalized. It is possible that the investor has some money related issues, they have some concerns related to money, but these could not be understood by the robo-advisor because they don't have that capability yet. Also, the possibility of coverage and customization is also very limited. What I'm trying to say is, they basically follow very standardized investment strategies and models. So there is not a lot of possibility of coverage here. And also the customization, the customized investment strategies are also not possible here because they will not be able to consider the preferences of people or the investors they have. And the third one is that the robo-advisors kind of rely a lot on historical data and trends. But here the problem that arises is that they won't be able to look into the unforeseen circumstances that may occur in the market. And that's why they might lose some good opportunities, or they might not be able to see something that bad that could happen to that investment. So I would say these are some of the positive and negative impacts of robo-advisors in equity research. Yes, there can be some other reasons as well of the impact they have on equity research, but this is what I could figure out. So thank you.